My name is Stephen and this is my channel, Heart's Delight Exports. Okay, so today I'm down in my backyard. I got a dog barking in the back because she's desperate for attention. But more importantly, I have an old garbage box. The city has recently come through and updated all the garbage boxes and garbage collection, so they use a robotic arm with a specific plastic bin to dump in the garbage truck. All well and good, but this thing is obsolete. So what am I going to do with it? It's a sin to just throw it out. It's not in my nature to just throw out wood and screws and everything like this. So what I'm going to do today is turn this octagon garbage box into a double planter. So the first thing I need to do is screw down the top. The hinge top is facing away from you. This is a backstop, so I need to take this off. And I need to screw down the top to make it solid, and I'll cut it apart afterwards. This mightn't turn out to be the prettiest, but it should be functional. So I got the first screw down, which means the top one's holding anymore, which is important. Now I can switch this. I can take the hinges off, it's in trouble later. Also goes into oil later on, and getting full function again. I see where I got screws down, so I'll take those off. Okay, so that's that part done. I needed to get the top screwed down so nothing will come apart on me. The next part is going to be a bit more interesting. Now I have to cut it into two pieces. This here is a rat hole. This is where the rats have chewed through to get into the garbage. This line in between these two slats is where I'm going to cut. It'll make it about even. I'm not measuring any of this because I don't need it to be perfect. It's only going to be a planter. So this line is where I'm going to cut it and separate the top from the bottom. Didn't really expect it to just come apart, did you? Ah, she's heavy. On the end pieces here, on the inset panels here, the blade doesn't actually reach. So it's going to require a bit more ingenuity than that. Alright, so that got most of it separated, but now I'm going to have to go to a hand tool to finish this. That's that side. So here's my garbage planter boxes months later. I have peas growing up in the back there, and the small dots of green you can see in the front are lettuces. I have a mix of them put in. You can see my potatoes are coming up nice. If anybody knows what that purple leafy plant is in the middle, I'd like to know if it's useful or not. I've had it grow up a couple of times before, and I have no idea what it is. It grows into a long stalk at some point. I moved the top to give me a bit more access to the garden. And it's planted mostly the same way, with peas in the back, and in the foreground there's lettuces. I did line the boxes with cardboard, which helped a lot. It's holding in all the soil at the moment, and over time it should create it should rot away, and the soil should conform and hold up on its own without just leaking out the bottom. Okay, so that's it for Herstalite Exports. Another video on the file. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. Okay, I'll see you in the next video when I'm doing something of interest. See you later.